Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you calf lamp solar lamps for the outdoor use, for example in the garden, with 300 lumen, 2200 milliampere hour, solar path light for outdoor use, with 2.5 watt and large solar panel that's made of polycrystalline silicon warm white LED power, and IP65 waterproof level for a path, for a terrace, for the lawn, and energy class A, with piece of 2, or you can also get it in a piece of 4 or a piece of 6. This outdoor solar lamps delivers an extremely bright lighting for our garden with 300 lumens. The integrated 2200 mAh high capacity battery allows a long run time of up to 12 hours in energy saving mode with 100 lumen and 8 hours in full mode with 300 lumen. We enjoy the perfect lit paths and the bands every night. This solar path lights for outdoor has an extra large 2.5 watt solar panel that is made of polycrystalline silicon, which capture more sunlight and significantly speed up the charging process compared to conventional 1 watt models. The benefit from up to 54.3% faster loading speeds. And these solar lights for outdoor use creates an inviting, cozy, warm white with 3000 K for Kelvin that perfectly sets our garden in scene. The pleasant light is ideal for relaxation and creates the home-like atmosphere on the terrace, balcony, or in the entire solar lamps for outdoor garden areas. The head of the solar path light is nearly 350 degrees swiveling, so we can directly the light exactly where we need it. The solar path light is simply attached to the ground with a robust ground spike. No wiring or complicated assembly is required, and it's designed for the permanent outdoor use. The housing of the durable outdoor solar lights is made of sturdy, UV-resistant materials and offers an IP65 splash protection. The perfect maintenance-free lighting solution for any season out there. For the winter time, for the summertime, for every time, I think it will be works well on the pathway, on the garden, in your garden, because it's IP65 waterproof. Automatic switching the durable large solar panels. Solar panels are comprehensively modernized, and we have 2.5 watt high performance solar panel that's made out of a nice silicon polycrystalline, increased over 50%, and the dimensions of it in the length of the panel is 20 centimeter plus. And of course we have a high capacity battery in it with over 2000 milliampere hour, special long time of course, and with 50 vertical rotation. That means we can see or light up nearly everything. What we need is night color at the night time with a nice and good looking 300 lumen and 3500 Kelvin power, or with 100 lumen and 2500 Kelvin. It's waterproof, it's nice to assemble as you can see, and it's reliable because it makes a good job every night. And at the daytime it will reload automatically the included battery. This all can make the Calf-Lamp solar lamps for outdoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!